name's Corby. Welcome back to Corby Q. And Corby Q, welcome back to YouTube. I know it has been a hot minute since I recorded a video. It doesn't mean I haven't been cooking. Just had a lot of family drama, a lot of stuff going on throughout the year. I had eye surgery, my grandfather passed away, and taking care of my grandkids. But don't get it mistaken. I am here. I am now. Today is the start of my Detroit Lions preseason football. So in honor of that, my kids wanted wings. So I got a whole bunch of wings. We're going to smoke them. We're going to deep fry them. We're going to make a super hot sauce. We're going to toss them in. So I will meet you guys out at the smoking shed. Let's get this rolling. Out here in the smoke shed, got the smoker, got good old Mater fired up, running about 225 degrees. I'm going to try to keep the wings at about 225 to 250. Got some Hickory smoke rolling in my Smoke Daddy smoke generator. Got about 12 pounds of wings. They were full wings. Separated the drumette from the wing, got rid of the tips. Don't need the wing tips. So I will get you guys turned down, and I will show you how we are going to season these. Here are the wings. I'm going to coat them with some olive oil. Just want to get a nice little, I don't know how much that is, a couple tablespoons. Get them, you know what? Let's mix them up right here. Gonna season them with a rub. This is my rub, just in this shaker, because I don't have another shaker. Just salty, sweet. It's got some heat. Give these a toss. That's all the seasoning. Use that whole little shaker. I'm going to finish tossing these up, and I'm going to get them on to the racks to get in the smoker. I'll show you what that looks like when we're done. Here's the 2 trays of wings. Going to go ahead and just get that rest of that shake out of there. I'm going to throw them in the smoker. I'm going to let these go for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. And then I will come back and I'll show you how we make the sauce before we take these out and fry them. Let me get these in there and I'll be back. Right, there we go. Wings are in. Got both trays in nice and snug. Go ahead and let these go to sleep and soak up some smoke for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Then we'll take them out and we'll fry them. I apologize. I wasn't able to get me making the sauce on camera. Had a little power outage in the house. Had to take care of. So what it was it's about 2 cups of Frank's Red Hot. I love the flavor of Frank's Red Hot. It's just not hot enough. So to that, I added 1 stick of butter, about 4 tablespoons of garlic, 1 sliced serrano pepper, seeds and all, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and then I added about 2 tablespoons of this. It's tequila jalapenos. It's sliced jalapenos in a salted tequila brine. So it should give it some extra flavor, maybe spice it up a little bit. So as soon as these wings get up to 145, I'm going to pull them out. We're going to deep fry them. I'll be back. Wings are done. Sauce is done. Fryer is up to temp, 375 degrees. We're going to go ahead and fry these for about 2.5, 3 minutes. We're going to sauce them up and we're going to eat.
Time we meet, I feel the rush, I feel the heat from a fire burning deep within. I I don't know what we hit it for. We can't fight it anymore. Now we're throwing caution to the wind. We're racing toward each.
Let's dig into one of these. Here we go. So it looks like. Is that focused? Probably not. Alright. Cooked all the way through. Really good. Wow. That's good. Tender wing. Ooh, that's hot. Excuse me. I'm going to be eating in front of you. That is so good. That's so good. Alright, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Doesn't matter if you're grilling it, baking it, or frying it and smoking it. Keep doing what you do. Take care. Knock, knock. Eat one.
You want? Eat it? Good.
Good. Other kid,
Please don't.
eat it. Yes?